30. It's kind of a sad day here at Family Tradition Farms. Well, maybe not that sad. We are getting rid of the combine. We posted the old 6620 up for sale here a few months back. I thought, well, if it could better suit somebody else on their farm, we just let her go. And by God, we found somebody that it's going to make a good combine for. We got to get it hauled back down to the shop, get our tools emptied out of it, get all the spare parts put in it. We've got a truck coming tomorrow. We're going to get it loaded up, set it down to South Kentucky. We're going to head on down to the barn. We got a few things to shuffle out of the way. Then we'll drag the combine back to the shop. Well, hey there, little feller. What are you doing? You've been eating my corn and my beans that I cleaned out of the combine? Probably. Okay, first thing we got to get out of the way is not ours. Boy, I sure wish it was, but we can't afford nothing nice like this. We got to get to the combine back here. Obviously, got to get the drill out of the way. We share this barn with a neighbor of ours, so he sticks stuff in, we stick stuff in, and we all just kind of share the space. All right, let me do a little ripping. We'll get that ripper raised up, get this drug out of the way, hook to the drill, pull the drill out, then we should be able to get the combine out. All right, one more time for everybody in the back. It's gonna be the last time we pull the old 6620 out of the barn. Honestly, I'm sad, but I'm not distraught. See if she's gonna start or if she's gonna be cold-blooded. I'm kind of leaning towards cold-blooded. Yep, cold-blooded. Okay, you guys have been around. You know what we got to do. We got to give her the old pump. Pump out a bunch of times. Let's try it again. There she goes. Okay, equipment shuffle done. Got the tractor hooked up to the rotary cutter back behind us. We still need to do around some field edges. We'll probably do that in a few days, but might as well go ahead and drag it down to the farm. We're gonna get the combine drug down to the shop and then start emptying it out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I am a little sad about getting rid of this old girl. If you saw some of my videos this fall, check them out up here, you'll know how big of a pain this combine was. But in hindsight, all combines are pain. It's just a matter of what kind of pain they got. This combine's been good. I've had it for 3 seasons. It's only let me down a handful of times, but man, it still gets the job done. Still fires up with a little help when it needs to. Still shells corn, still thrashes beans, but you know, guys, maybe this is the perfect opportunity to upgrade to something else. Only time will tell if we come across something maybe 94, 9500, something along those lines that'll fit our operation much better for a longer period of time to come. I will say though, I am not going to miss having that engine right there and having to yell at you guys just so you can hear me. Well, this is it, guys. The morning I've been waiting for several months. 6620, she's going away. First, we're going to fire up the 806. We got a pallet of stuff to load on there. Then we'll get the 6620 fired up, let it warm up before the semi gets here. Well, that's not good. Well, since the 806 is going to give me a little bit of a hard time, we'll start with the 6620. Yeah, that's frost. So, yeah, super cold starts this morning. Let's give this old girl a shot. Oh yeah, she still fires right off. Okay, let's try again with a little help of go-go juice. Oh yeah. Super cold, but she went. We're gotta let that warm up for a long while. So as I said earlier, guys, I've had this 6620 for 3 seasons. It's got me through. It's done a really good job for us on the farm, but I've kind of outgrown it a little bit. We're expanding our acres. Our kids are growing up. The cab's just too small for them. And honestly, filming's kind of hard because I have to talk over the engine that's sitting right next to me. I work full daytime job at John Deere, so having to work on equipment like this that is a little bit more difficult to work on, not impossible, but you have to still work on it. It doesn't really work. I need to be able to jump in a combine, turn the key, head to the field and start shelling corn. I know that's a big ask, because you're gonna have to work on everything, but if I can at least get something like a 94, maybe 9500, maybe even a 9510, it's a lot easier to work on. The engineers actually got their head on straight when they designed those. Maybe we can be far more productive in the seasons to come. We're just gonna do one more walk around the old 6620 before it leaves Family Tradition Farms. Oh, there's the 4430, I-4430. We had to grab the can of go-go juice out of this old girl. Like I said, guys, been a good old machine. Chopper, 4-wheel drive, rising cane tires. You guys know about what we did up in there. That sucked. Feeder house chain's in good shape. Cab's in decent shape. Everything's good. And will you looky there? There's our ride. Oh, isn't she a beaut? Got old Lonnie Ford and the Arcade Trucking Peterbilt. Man, she's pretty. Morning, Lonnie. He's gonna run down the road a little bit, turn around. That way he's facing back towards the highway. Man, that is a good looking truck. Now Lonnie's rolling up in a detached, so we're probably just gonna unhook here in the road, drive it on, and he'll head on down the road. Kind of interesting. Lonnie's the same guy that delivered this combine here 3 years ago, so it's gonna be a good time. He'll detach right here. Hopefully we don't block up too much traffic. We'll pull out all these outriggers and he'll be set to roll. Last ride in the old girl. I am kind of sad, not gonna lie. Sad enough to cry? No. But it is a big step in our operation. We are not gonna have a combine for a long while. Hopefully we find one before next fall. If not, we'll make a change in the plans. Well, the only thing left to do is cry about it. I'm just kidding. We ain't gonna cry about seeing the old girl go. It's gonna go to a better home. This old boy down in Kentucky, he's very excited to get it. It's gonna make him a really good machine. As you can see, we got her loaded up. Lonnie's gonna hook up to the trailer. We're gonna get her all chained down. That way traffic can come around. They've got a big loop. They can come all the way through the driveway, but I guess people don't really pay attention anymore. So we'll get her hooked up, chained down, and wave goodbye. There she goes. I think I'm gonna tear up. Nah, tears of joy. Bye, old combine. Have fun in Kentucky. Yeah, she'll be fine. All right, that's a great way to start a Monday morning. We're gonna get the 806 pulled back over to the shop, set everything down, then I'm gonna head to work. Guys, I appreciate you hanging out with me. Again, if you made it this far, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. That way you can see what next combine we get. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Thanks, and you guys have a good one.